Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark or logo from your videos. So here I'm going to show you a way. First, you can just go to your browser and then just find 1, 2, 3 apps. This is the keyword. You can hit on enter and then go to this page 123apps.com, and in here you can see there's this video tool. You can just scroll down until you find the remove logo from video. This one's right here. You can tap on that button. So by using this, you can erase logo, image, watermark, or date from your video. So you can just tap on open file or drop a file here. Okay, I'm going to find my video first. Okay, so this is the video that I want to remove. It's watermark. You can tap on the video and then click on open. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to remove this CapCut watermark. So you can just select one or more areas that you want to remove from your video. In this case, I'm going to use this to remove this CapCut watermark. You can select the area just like this and then click on apply. And as you guys can see, the watermark is gone now. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.